Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Are you planning to start a snail farm but don't have access to expensive soil test tools? No worries. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to choose the best soil for your snails using simple, practical methods that you can try at home. Let's get started. In snail farming, snails rely on soil for moisture. They also obtain calcium for shell development, and it's also a place where they burrow themselves. The right soil enable good health and reproduction. So what should you look for?
So now I have three sample soil gathered here. The ideal soil for snow is loamy soil. But in order for us to determine which is loamy among these three, we need to do this experiment. And I call this experiment hand test experiment because it's mostly performed with our hand. So what we are looking at for this experiment is that we are going to look at the one that is mostly good for snails, and the outcome is the one that is able to at least lose is loose but not too loose. Okay, so to determine loamy soil, we squeeze we fetch some of the sample and squeeze it with our hands. Okay, and we let it to fall. So the one that will lose or spread very fast is sandy, and the one that will delay or will not even spread at all is bring the black soil and folding it. Next, I'm also holding the sandy soil. You can see it spreads very fast as compared to the other two. The next is the clay soil. You can see you leave I let it fall and it couldn't spread as you see. So I'm doing it again. You do look at it. It couldn't spread fast as it falls. It couldn't fall fast as compared to the other two. So this is the clay soil. And okay, you can see it. You can see it couldn't break into pieces. But look at the sandy that I'm folding. Look at it. And it spread completely. It breaks into pieces. And folding squeezing the black one, look, although it spread, but not as fast as compared to the sandy soil. So the black soil, the one that you see is black, is the loamy soil, and is the ideal soil for snail farming because it contains all the nutrients needed for snail growth and reproduction. From the experiment, you realize that that one is different. That is why people call it black soil. Okay, it contains all the or garden soil. Some also call it compost soil. It's very nutritious, and snails also need such soil for growth and reproduction. Okay,
Moisture is the key here. Pour water onto the soil and observe. If the water drains very fast, it's a sandy soil. If it delays in draining, it's a loamy soil. And if it pulls, it's a clay soil. So little water, little water, little water. You see, this is sandy. It has drained very fast. And this is loamy. You see and this is clay. You can see there's still water. Okay, that's pool. And look at this. This is typical loamy soil. It holds water. So this is the best soil for snail farming. You can see this, there's still water inside. And this one very quickly, it drains very fast. And this one delays in draining. It holds water. So this is loamy, the ideal soil for snail farming. Check the black soil, earthworm, decomposed leaves. These signs means your soil is rich in organic matter and is perfect for your snail farm. Avoid soil that are exposed to chemicals or pollution. Snails are sensitive, and for that matter, contaminated soil might kill them or cause harm to them. Snails need calcium for strong shell development, and we presume that the loamy soil that we gathered has some calcium in it. But since we are not using any soil test tools, we can also add calcium manually to the soil, thereby assuring that there is calcium in the soil. To recap, the best soil for your snails is loamy soil and well draining. It's moisture and not waterlogged. It's rich in organic matter. It's not exposed to chemicals, and is high in calcium for shell development. With the right soil, your snails will grow faster, healthier, and more productive. If you find this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more farming tips. And don't forget to drop down your comments. Until then, bye bye.